Automatic review collection with email campaigns. Trustindex's email campaign feature provides a powerful tool to effectively engage with your customers and encourage them to leave reviews. Let's go through the process of setting up review collecting email campaigns with Trustindex, which helps you collect more valuable ratings and enhance your online reputation. Why collect reviews? In today's digital world, online customer reviews are crucial for building a business's reputation and attracting new customers. One effective strategy for gathering these invaluable insights is through review collecting email campaigns. By reaching out to customers and asking for their feedback, businesses can improve their online presence and show they care about customer satisfaction. Using tools like Trustindex makes this process easy and effective, helping businesses collect and manage reviews effortlessly. What are email campaigns? Email campaigns are targeted messages sent to a group of recipients with a goal of promoting products, services, or collecting feedback. With Trustindex, you can effectively collect new reviews using emails by completing a simple setup process. How to collect reviews with email campaigns? Step 1. Set up the email campaign. To start, log into your Trustindex.io account and navigate to the Get Reviews tab. Then click on the Email Campaigns tab and click on the Add Campaign button. As the first step, select the platform you want to collect reviews on. After that, configure the main campaign settings such as campaign name, delivery method, and the email send delay. Next up is the email customization. Edit the template to your liking and add the main details such as the sender's information, subject, and email logo. Then modify the email content by clicking the Edit Email tab. Check your modifications and the look of the email in the Email Preview tab. Below customization, use the test email field to send test emails to yourself to ensure everything appears correctly and all links work. Also, feel free to set up a follow-up email for your recipients with the Set Reminder field in this section. Lastly, you have the option to set up the Intelligent Invitation system. With this system in place, if your recipient chooses to rate you 1, 2, or 3 stars, we do not redirect them to post their reviews right away. Instead, the system offers the option to contact your customer support directly to resolve the issue. They'll still get the option to go to the platform and write a review, but if they want their issue to be resolved, it's more likely they'll contact you instead. When you are done with the setup process, click on Save at the end of the page. Step 2. Finish by adding recipients. There are 2 ways to add your recipients for your email campaign: manual and automatic methods. Manual invitation. First, copy and paste your email addresses, optionally with names, from a spreadsheet. Next, check to confirm that the correct data has been entered, then click on the Invite button. And that's it! Your campaign is saved and sent on its way. Automatic invitation. Configure your webshop or mailer system to BCC the email address shown in this menu in order confirmation emails. BCCing Trustindex in customer emails will trigger our system to send automatic review invitations to those customers. When you're finished, click on Done. That's it! Your review collecting email campaign is saved and sent on its way. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively utilize Trustindex's email campaign feature to enhance your marketing efforts and engage with your audience. If you would like to get to know more about Trustindex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop, where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the Trustindex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your Trustindex account.